Good morning, class. Welcome to day one of your art activism unit. This video is going to discuss today's task list and everything you need to complete for today. So your learning goal for the assignment is to design an artwork that addresses an issue that will bring about social change. So we're looking at a problem in today's world and we're adding it in our artwork or creating artwork about it to bring awareness to people so they can change their actions and the actions of others to help stop this problem. So, and then the second learning goal is to communicate a specific message with relevant subject matter. So that basically ties into the unit we just created for the narrative art. You learn how to illustrate, how to draw, and tell a story using specific images and details. We talked about the subjects, what you draw, the actions, what they do, and then the environment where they are. And of course, lastly, any extra details, even colors, things like that to help explain that story in the art. So you are using those concepts of telling a story, but instead of telling a personal story like the last unit, you are drawing these subjects in these actions in these places to show a problem in today's world. And it doesn't have to be anything you experience. You just want to think of a problem, use those elements to convey that, to show it, and lastly, just add full color for your project. Your central question is, how does collaboration expand the creative process? The concept of this unit was for peers to work together. I unfortunately have not had the time to plan a simple way for you all to work together and plan these projects together. Normally we do that in a tier 3 or 4 schedule, but since we're in tier 2, we can't do that, but the essential question is still the same. And the answer to that question is that when you work with other people, when you share different ideas and input, you ever hear the phrase that two brains are better than one? You're getting multiple ideas to add and grow your project. So you're basically just going to have more help, more feedback, more even physical hands working on your project that can help that process for your project. And the vocabulary word for today is art activism, which is going to lead me into our task list. Your task list is first to watch the art activism PowerPoint video. This video demonstrates all of the answers to your 2 entrance ticket questions. Please make sure you watch that. The video is also going to show you some awesome examples of art activism and give you some ideas of topics. So that's a very important video. Make sure you watch that. Once you're done watching that, just complete your entrance ticket questions. What is art activism and how does art raise awareness about social issues? Both answers are in the PowerPoint, so again, please watch that. If you skip it, you're most likely going to get these answers wrong for your entrance ticket. And then lastly, all you need to do today for your work is to complete a sketch or a design of your project and submit it to the day 1 student progress. So you're just going to plan the issue, sketch it out, and just send it to me so I have an idea of what you are planning for this project. So the steps below are first to select a contemporary issue that affects today's world and design an image that clearly brings awareness to the issue and shows how to change it. That last part's very important. A lot of times students will just draw the problem, but they're not showing any kind of resolution, how to fix or solve the problem. So be thinking about that in your sketch as well. Then make sure once you have that topic, make sure you plan a design that fills the entire paper. And not only filling the entire paper, but make sure your images are clear and your messages are clear. Feel free to add text if you need to. That's right below here. Use text and words as needed to help support your idea or message. So if you were doing pollution and you wanted to say just stop the pollution, or even just the word stop, just to get someone's attention, you can use words. Bubble letters or box letters would be preferred. Hopefully I can create a video in the coming days to demonstrate how to do that. And then lastly, just submit your sketch of whatever your design is. So just plan your design. You're about to watch the art activism PowerPoint to give you further introduction with visual images so you can have a clear plan as to how to create that sketch. So I will be talking to you all shortly in that video, and just make sure you complete everything on this list today so you can get all the points and stay on pace for the project. Alright guys, I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.